In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your blog on Blogger. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll have a brand new blog ready to customize and publish. All you need is a Google account and access to the internet. First, open your browser and go to the Blogger website, then sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Blogger dashboard. This is the main control center where all your blogs and posts will live. If you've never created a blog before, your dashboard may look quite empty, and that's completely fine. At the top left of the dashboard, you'll see the name of the current blog you're on. If you already have one, that name will be visible there, along with a small drop-down arrow next to it. Click on that blog name. A drop-down menu will appear showing a list of your existing blogs, if you have any, plus an option to create a new one. In that drop-down, click on the option that says New Blog. This is what starts the creation process. A window will pop up asking for a few basic details about your new blog. The first thing you need to enter is the title of your new blog. This is the name that will appear at the top of your site and in people's browsers, so choose something clear and relevant to what your blog is about. You can always change this later, so don't stress too much if you're not completely sure yet. Once you've typed in your blog title, click on the next button to continue. On the next screen, you'll be asked to choose a URL for your blog. This is the web address people will type or click on to visit your site. It will end with blogspot.com by default. Try to pick something short, easy to remember, and related to your content. Blogger will tell you if that address is available. If it's not, just adjust it slightly until you find one that works. When you're happy with your blog address, click on Save. Blogger will now create your new blog with the title and URL you chose. After it's created, you'll be taken back to the dashboard, but now you'll see your new blog listed and selected. From here, you can start customizing it. Change the theme, add pages like About or Contact, and of course, begin writing your first posts. Take your time exploring the settings so you can shape the blog to match your style and goals.